Karlene here at Fraser Coast Libraries. Today we're going to have some fun with our gingerbread Play-Doh. We've already made it in a playtime session for Christmas and it smells delicious. Today we're going to make some gingerbread men. We all know the fairy tale, the gingerbread man who runs as fast as he can because you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. So, how about we roll out our Play-Doh, make some gingerbread man and some decorations. Have it, guys. We've decorated some gingerbread man. I have changed the colour of our Play-Doh with some food gel. You might like to use some food colouring, and we've made green and red so we can make some eyes and buttons and a mouth and hair as well. So have some fun, decorate a gingerbread man. Don't eat it, it won't taste very nice because it is only Play-Doh.